Good morning children. Today let us do a science experiment. The materials required for that are a tray with water filled in it, few pebbles and few leaves. Now let's start the experiment. Take a pebble and put it in the water. Wow, see what happened. Yes, it sunk in the water. Now take a leaf and put it in the water. What happened to the leaf? See, it's floating. It did not sink. Let us try one more time. Take a pebble and put it in the water. See, the pebble sunk in the water. Take a leaf and put it on the water. The leaf is floating on the water. So what did you understand? The pebble is heavy, so it sunk in the water. The leaf is very light, so it floats on the water. Will you try this experiment at home? Thank you.